आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, here is a question. A tuning fork vibrating with the frequency of 512 Hz is kept close to the open end of the tube filled with water. The water level in the tube is gradually lowered. When the water level is 17 cm below the open end, the maximum intensity of sound is heard. If the room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, calculate the speed of sound in air at room temperature and the speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius. If the water in the tube is replaced with mercury, will there be any difference in your observation? So in question we have three parts, so one by one we solve them. So first of all, the maximum intensity of sound is heard when tuning fork and air column are in resonance, right? So first of all, we will write the frequency of tuning fork, right? The frequency of tuning fork is equals to frequency of air column, and frequency of tuning fork is denoted by mu, which is equals to V by 4L. Now we have the values, so we can calculate V is equals to mu into 4L. Now we substitute. We have it is given that mu is equals to 512 into 4 into 17 divided by 100 into meter per second. If we calculate, and we get 348.16 meter per second, right? So the speed of sound in air at room temperature is 348.16 meter per second. Now in part B, we have to find the speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius. So the speed of sound in air is equals to small v is equals to root gamma RT divided by m, and in this gamma, R and m are the constant terms, so T is a variable, so V is directly proportional to root T, and if we remove the proportionality sign, and we get V is equals to K root T, right? K is a constant, and from this we can conclude that V1 divided by V2 is equals to root T1 divided by root T2, right? And from here we can calculate the value of V1 is equals to V2 into root T1 divided by T2, and we have the values of T1 and T2. T1 is at 0 degrees Celsius and T2 is at 20 degrees Celsius, right? So we calculate by calculations, and if we do the calculations, and we get is equals to 348.16 into 0 degrees Celsius, we change it into Fahrenheit means 273 divided by, we change 20 degrees Celsius into 273 plus 20, right? And if we calculate, and we get 336.1 meter per second. This is the speed of sound in air at 0 degree Celsius. Now the last one is, if a water in the tube is replaced with mercury, will there be any difference in your observation? Like there will be no change in the resonance length when water is replaced by mercury, right? We write it here in part C. So there is no change. First we write, there is no change in resonance length when water is replaced by mercury, as it serves as a reflector of sound waves only. But there is one property is change. There is a intensity of sound, right here. Intensity of sound may increase because mercury is denser than water and will reflect sound waves more completely, right? But there is no change in the resonance length, right? But the intensity of sound may increase because mercury is denser than water and will reflect more sound waves completely. I hope you understand all three parts, and I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।